Have you ever wondered what it would be like if Mount Vesuvius erupted today? Imagine the sky darkening as ash and sulfur dioxide billow into the stratosphere, creating a veil that reflects sunlight back into space. This isn't just a scene from a disaster movie, it's a real phenomenon that can have a global impact. When Mount Pinatubo erupted in 1991, the planet's average temperature dropped by about half a degree Celsius, all thanks to the aerosol layers formed by the volcanic ash and sulfur dioxide. But not all volcanoes are created equal. There's a world of difference between a shield volcano and a composite volcano. Picture Mauna Loa in Hawaii, a classic shield volcano. Its gentle slopes are the result of large fluid lava flows. Now contrast that with Mount St. Helens, a composite volcano. Its eruptions are explosive, resulting in a steep, towering profile. And then, there's the spectacle of volcanic lightning. This is not your typical storm. This is a dirty thunderstorm, a dazzling display of static electricity generated within the ash cloud during an eruption. It's a dance of particles colliding in the plume, creating a light show that's as breathtaking as it is terrifying. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the grandeur of Mount Etna, the Earth's oldest volcano. For over 500,000 years, this fiery giant has been geologically active, almost always in a state of activity. Just think about that for a second. That's 500,000 years of eruptions, lava flows, and ash clouds. And let's not forget about our underwater volcanoes. Over 80% of our planet's volcanic activity happens beneath the sea, forming new land masses as eruptions build up on the ocean floor. The island of Surtsey off the coast of Iceland is a prime example, born out of an underwater eruption that began in 1963. From the gentle slopes of Mauna Loa to the steep profile of Mount St. Helens, volcanoes are as diverse as they are powerful. Their presence is a testament to the dynamic nature of our planet, a constant reminder of the raw, untamed energy that lies just beneath the Earth's surface. But not all volcanic phenomena are destructive, some are just downright spectacular. For instance, during eruptions, a fascinating event can occur within the ash clouds. This is known as volcanic lightning or a dirty thunderstorm. This spectacle happens when particles within the eruption plume collide, generating static electricity. Imagine, amidst the chaos and danger of a volcanic eruption, an awe-inspiring light show illuminates the darkened skies. From the spectacular, we move to the ancient. The oldest volcano on Earth is considered to be Mount Etna in Italy. This geologically active giant has been erupting for over 500,000 years. Etna is one of the most continuously active volcanoes in the world and is almost always in a state of activity. It's a testament to the age-old power that simmers beneath the Earth's crust, a power that has been shaping our planet since its fiery birth. Now let's dive beneath the waves. Did you know that more than 80% of Earth's volcanic activity actually happens underwater? These submarine volcanoes, hidden from our sight, play a vital role in shaping the ocean floor. But their influence isn't confined to the depths of the ocean. Their eruptions can build up enough material on the ocean floor to break the water's surface and form new islands. For instance, the island of Surtsey off the coast of Iceland was born from the sea in this way. In 1963, an underwater eruption began. Over time, the eruption deposited enough volcanic material to rise above the ocean surface, creating a new island. Surtsey, a child of the sea and fire, is a perfect example of how the Earth is a dynamic and ever-changing planet. And sometimes these underwater eruptions give birth to new land, like the island of Surtsey. From the depths of the sea to the heights of the sky, volcanoes are spectacular, powerful, and ancient forces that continue to shape and reshape our world in ways that are as diverse as they are extraordinary. Much as they are infamous for their destructive power, volcanoes also have a nurturing side. For instance, take a look at the fertile soils that encircle many of these fiery giants. Volcanic soils are extremely rich, thanks to the minerals from deep within the Earth that volcanoes bring to the surface. Lands surrounding Mount Vesuvius in Italy are a prime example, where locals have long benefited from the bountiful agricultural yield. Then, there's the matter of geothermal energy. This is essentially heat derived from the Earth's interior, which in places like Iceland, is harnessed to generate electricity and heat homes. Consider it a fiery gift from the local volcanoes. But let's not forget the extraordinary. Enter supervolcanoes. These behemoths have the potential to eject more than 1,000 cubic kilometers of material in a single eruption. That's equivalent to covering the entire state of Texas in 5 feet of volcanic ash. Yellowstone caldera in the USA is a known supervolcano. Its eruption could have global consequences. Now, just when you thought we had Earth's volcanoes all figured out, let's take a leap off our planet. Volcanoes, it turns out, are not just an earthly phenomenon. They exist beyond our blue planet. Take Olympus Mons on Mars, for instance. It's the tallest volcano in the solar system, standing at 21 kilometers high. That's nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest, Earth's highest peak. So while volcanoes may often be associated with destruction and chaos, they also play a vital role in shaping our world and others. They fertilize our soils, provide us with renewable energy, and remind us of the tremendous forces at work beneath our feet and beyond our planet. From the fertile plains of Italy to the towering Olympus Mons on Mars, volcanoes truly are a universal phenomenon. Ever wondered what a volcano breathes out? Volcanoes, like living beings, exhale a variety of gases. The most common of these are water vapor, carbon dioxide, and sulfur dioxide. These gases originate from the magma itself, or from the magma's interactions with underground water sources. In some regions, these volcanic gases escape from the ground through areas known as fumaroles. Here's an intriguing fact. The composition of these gases can provide volcanologists with clues about the type of eruption that might be on the horizon. Now let's shift our gaze to the Pacific Ocean basin. Here lies the Ring of Fire, a horseshoe-shaped area teeming with seismic activity. This area is a hotbed for earthquakes and volcanoes due to the boundaries of several tectonic plates. Home to more than 450 volcanoes, it accounts for over 75% of the world's active and dormant volcanoes. So next time you think of volcanoes, remember they're not just about fiery eruptions but also about shaping the earth and even the climate.